Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is What's for Dinner. My name is Drew, and today we're going to be doing something very similar to El Cachino. Shit. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is What's for Dinner. My name is Drew, and today we're going to be doing something very similar to a award-winning restaurant known for their Cuban sandwiches called El Coke. Jesus Christ. El Cochinito. El Cochinito. Okay. El Cochinito. El Cochinito. So, let's get you in here, and we're gonna show you how to do the pork butt. More of a their take on it, and again, they're award-winning, authentic, as opposed to, which I really like, the movie Chef with Jon Favreau in it. And yeah, and I like how it's built a little bit better too. Then on a large pan with grates, there you have it. Looks beautiful. I'm also going to bake some more of the sauce. I'm heating my oven up to 350. You want to cook to 160, 165 internal. I got the oven preheated to 350 degrees. Take the ends, wrap them up, save them. Try to go as even as I can in between here. Here we go. Got some Swiss. Also some ham. I want to heat it up. I've got this over here, heating up. La plancha. Yeah. Shouldn't take long. I'll brown on both sides. Plasterings. Gotta have yellow mustard for this. Jesus. Okay, we're gonna throw it in the oven. Okay, super hot. Of course, we have the time and the money. We'd go with the hand cut ones. Hell, I'll even use that broken one. This is where you hear that. You want to make sure it's hot. Over here, just going to fold it up. Okay, this is the lodge cast iron skillet. You can use a regular one. This is a griddle. And then what I have is just a press. This is a bacon press. You need some weight. If you have multiple, you can sit them on that. So basically, we're going to have to do both sides, right? Well, there you go. We'll go a few minutes on each side. We'll flip it over, it should be done. Let's see if I can't get this on camera. Oh yeah. Another 3 minutes on that side. Can't get this going. Nice. Yeah, some came out. It's alright. This off to the side. Woo! That's hot. This other one going. A little bit more parquet. Do this on the reverse of the other one. Oh yeah. Two minutes on that side. Okay, get this taken off here. Looking beautiful. Oh, a little overcooked on that one. That's all right. Turn it down a little bit. Finally. Ooh. Oh, Jesus. Finally, heat it up. Go ahead and get this last one off here. Oh, crispy that is. Oh, Jesus. That. Oh, yeah. Be right back. So go ahead. Cut it on the bias. I should use a cutting board, but it is what it is.